Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm a well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to the video must watch the video till the end. So let's start this video. So stay with me till the end of the video. Is it true that destiny can be changed? Do you have a role when your destiny unfolds? Yes, destiny can be changed, but it requires special efforts. Okay, one can never know exactly or precisely one one's destiny is, but can know how it comes into fruitions. It fruitions is dependent on the coming together of different factors including your efforts, in fact your role. So let's understand how destiny unfolds in detail to know how can you change your destiny. Many people tend to ponder why to make an effort or what is my role when life is predestined. After all, what's meant to be what will always find its way. In reality, destiny is just one of the factors that lead to a specific outcome, happening, incidents. There are several other factors such as time, place, mother, nature, and even your effort. It is true that one cannot change destiny that is about to unfold in this life. However, there are two special cases with which this can be possible. The positive effects of growth role. Facing any situations with positive mindset and a strong willpower, never feeling depressed or feeling like giving up or having a negative attitude. Thanks to the I can't positive attitude, spontaneous help our mother nature in terms of required favorable circumstances, although this may take a time, as mother nature helps those who are positive or remain sincere towards their goals, living a fully satisfied life, developing virtues such as commitment and optimism. The positive effects of subtle role. This only one but is the biggest positive effect of your subtitle role. Favorable destiny, keeping good intent, praying. This know-how is the secondary milestone achieved so that the life destiny can be changed. Two ways of keeping good intent. Ways one way to get to the desired destiny is to repeat 5 times every morning. May no living being be hurt even to the slightest extent through my mind, speech, or body. This intent forms the cause of making our next life peaceful and happy favorable destiny in future. No effort goes fertile. No effort goes futile. It surely yields the result because an effort in actions has a positive intent. Remember, this intent is the cause and destiny is the result. Way 2. According to the forgiveness and resolving of never to repeat it again, firm determinations. This is one way of making your intent pure. There are two parts to understand. The destiny discharge karma of not becoming a doctor, the destined goal of being a doctor. The result destiny or result of the karmas of past life may or may not be in line with the goal of determined in this life. The destiny is separate from the current goal. Thus, you can achieve the goal of the life without depending on what destiny brings. For this, you need to make a determination that never wavers, no matter what the circumstances are, and make all possible sincere efforts so that your destiny can be changed. Can determinations and prayers change destiny? Yes, while many believe that that is impossible to change or escape destiny, the truth is that one can overcome an unfavorable destiny by keeping a strong, unflinching determinations backed by daily prayers. This is regardless of how powerful the other factors for shaping the destiny are. Make a firm determinations. I want to do this only. Stick to the do not falter even a bit, no matter how many unfavorable situations may come. Remain sincere towards it, keeping doing what you need to do achieve it, and experiment to understand the interplay of factors. Aim to recognize the need of one's effort. Materials, yeah, paraquest, your favorite empty decorative poetry mug in your hand, and assumptions the fragile mug suddenly slips you from your hand, and procedure or actions. Now you can either wait and watch how the mug is falling for your hand and try to hold it is so that it does not fall and break. As a wise person, you will try to catch the mug right. This action of trying to save the slipped mug is the effort from your side. The actions of wait and watch is ruled out, as no human would to do that, especially when the mug is a favorite one. Result, now despite you putting this effort, the result destiny of the mug is still unknown. Either the mug may fall and break, or may you successfully save it from failing and splitting into the piece. So the result can be either positive or negative. So, what the conclusion? From this example, it is clear that your trial effort to save the mug is there until it hits some surface such as that of a table or a floor. You make an effort to save regardless of the result destiny of the mug. We should always try for the positive occurrence. Applications to real life. This is also the case with the human life. What is meant to be is surely going to happen, but because you don't know what is going to happen, you need to make an effort until the very end. Remember, you are one of the instrument in giving shape to what is going to happen, fruiting destiny. It is unwise, is not play, is not role by giving an excuse that everything is predestined and consequently sitting ideal. I hope you all like this video of mine very much. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that all of you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video. Thank you very much.